The BrushHawk features a small swing radius, making it perfect for limited bumper space on brush and wildland rigs. The low stow height improves the field of vision for the driver. This configuration makes it the most compact monitor in its class. With up to 500 gallons per minute of flow, there are several nozzle options to customize the monitor to your department's needs, including an adjustable fixed gallonage nozzle. Featuring CANbus controls, the monitor comes with a proportional joystick that provides control for up, down, left, right, and nozzle fog stream controls. The joystick also includes on-off and trigger control for the optional valve kit. No intermediate junction box is required between the joystick and monitor, which streamlines installation and saves space. An optional quick connect makes removing the monitor simple for servicing the chassis. Spec the best.